In this video, I want to show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So we need to go into the settings of your iPhone. Find the settings app and launch it. Then go down until you get to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it and make sure that Apple Intelligence is turned on. And then you have more options down below. So you can select the language of Siri and other things. One of my favorite option is over here where you see extensions. You can use ChatGPT so it helps Siri and gets more precise answers to you. So if you press setup, press next, enable ChatGPT, then you'll have to get the ChatGPT app and sign in. You see over here in your ChatGPT account. Everything is free. You don't have to worry about this, but these are the steps if you want to get ChatGPT. And down below you have more options regarding Apple Intelligence. Overall, this is it. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.